Hey guys, it's me, Dan the Film Gent, and I just got the unfortunate news that our public announcer Michael Baiamonte, after 35 years, decides to call it quits, which is heartbreaking, man. I remember like going to the arena, and the first thing I hear is this man's voice hyping up the crowd, just getting everyone, emotion, like just in the game, the atmosphere, just creating so much great atmosphere. And it sucks to see see all this just come to an end. We lose another legend in Michael Baiamonte. It's amazing. Like 2 minutes, dos minutos, one of the most iconic phrases. And stand up for your Miami Heat. Everything, just like so many wonderful memories. Even him being there with the championship years. You got no other guy like it. But I understand at the same point. Because I also heard that I think the last couple of seasons he has to miss games because he had to I think he had laryngitis or something like that in his voice, which I couldn't allow him to be more expressive that he was. And I also kind of noticed it too when I'm watching games, and it doesn't sound as booming as it was before, like in the younger years, or younger years. He just sounded like more excited and more enthusiastic. Not saying that's the reason, but I'm saying or the last couple of years, it just sounded not very monotone in a sense. That just didn't feel like, he was having a good time having it. Which, maybe that's not the case, but I felt like something was wrong with the voice. Maybe something like that. But who knows? But at the end of the day, I'm kind of shocked, but at the same time, not really that surprised. Because I think the man does he's been doing this for I think he's been doing this since he was a college graduate. And I know he's an FIU graduate, and he just came in there and became a full-time after replacing one of the earlier announcers. And he's been with the team for many, many years, so you can't take that for granted. So Michael Baiamonte, if you're watching this, I doubt it. Thank you for all the memories. Thank you for 35 years of great memories. I thought you would do this for a couple more years, for at least another decade. But I'm grateful for what you've done for this organization. I'm grateful for, creating a friendly, crazy atmosphere with your iconic voice. And we will never, ever take that for granted. We will never miss you. Have a good time with retirement, and we'll continue to celebrate this season for your last. And hopefully you go out on a high note. Thank you for everything. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Mike. Thank you.